yeah, we got Ray here with us. Let's get it. What up? It's KTG. I don't got the helmet on today, but we're here at BMW Ducati. CBR with kaput. We're bike shopping.
That's probably what I'll probably have to my multi.
Looking around, shopping.
Separate.
I like this one.
So he's huge, and so I'm like, so we're talking, and then you know, and then the next day I ran into him walking on the beachfront on the path, and I was on his way to work. And there, you know, like his parents lived there.
This
their
one,
parents
nice
lived
too.
there.
That's more track, right?
Yeah, this one.
More touring.
Yeah, sports touring. See, this sides up too. This one.
Oh, really?
Slide up, it slides up. Yeah.
Oh, you can hold this right here.
Yeah, I'll hold up, yeah, so you get the better wind protection.
Oh man, that looked like your CBR, man.
Yeah, right. My CBR is waving, yeah. We're gonna go check out the next spot. Alright, so the two there that I did like were the 899 Panigale and the Super Sport, the 950. But now we're gonna go to the next dealership and check those out. Are there any bikes that you liked? Ray?
Oh, you already know the Ducks. Ducks is nice.
All right, we're at the next spot. We were at BMW Ducati in Richfield. Now we're at Simply Ride in Eden Prairie. I think, yeah, somewhere like that. Eden Prairie. And we're gonna check out the bikes here and see what's on the market. Obviously, we could have did all this stuff online, but it wouldn't be for a good video, would it be? Huh? It wouldn't be a good video, would it? Yeah, the Panigales, though. See, that's what I want. I want a Panigale. No, I looked at the 899. R1. Someone got it before me. This guy, he just looks suspicious. He just looked like... Alright, so we didn't see anything here at this dealership. I mean, there's the R1 that I wanted to check out, but someone bought that one already. You know, there's the Panigale, the 959, no info on that, so it might not even be up for sale. There was another R1 that I saw. Yeah, we're gonna go to the next spot. This is gonna be where the CBR 1000 RR. It's gonna be the fan favorite right now, my favorite personally so far. So let's go check it out. Now we are at City's Edge. I'm really excited to see the CBR 1000 RR, the matte black one, the matte black, matte black. Let's check it out.
It's the same bikes.
That one's got ABS, I think. Yeah, I like this one right here. I want this one. This is like your color scheme, huh? With your bike.
Yeah.
See, on the side, it looks just like your bike, though, when you look from the side.
Yeah. The front, you know, that front and side. Man, the mold is so much bigger.
ZX6. I don't think I can go with a 600 anymore. Alright, we at Leo South. But if you guys are wondering why he got his shades on like that, looking like that, he had a rough night last night. He had a little too much drinks and he don't want to say nothing. Let's go. Yeah, the RSV4. Oh, look at the wings, see? Winglets. The winglets. See, it doesn't look that big. It's just this middle, that's what I'm talking about, how the chest comes up.
This one don't look that big.
Huh? I don't know. Oh. This is the one we always see right here. Mr. Suzuki. He doesn't. Alright, saw some cool bikes, but nothing that I would be in the market for.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
All right, we're at the last place, Moto Primo. There's a CBR 1000 RR SP, the Ducati V4, which I'm not in the market for, none of those bikes, but we'll see what else is there. So let's go check it out. See, I told you it looks way better than the S1000 though, huh?
What's the price tag on this one?
25?
I like the one swing arm, you know.
Yeah. Single side swing arm. Yeah, it's race ready. Yeah. It's all like carbon fiber, everything. Super lightweight.
Yeah, these are light, man.
Should I get this one?
I like this one, but
Over the CBR 1000 RR?
I just heard like getting parts and all that stuff is difficult, you know.
This is the one he got right here. He bought this.
Yeah, this is the one I got.
He got this. Ray got this bike. Can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to do the test ride on this one too.
Damn, that Ducati! Oh my god!
He's still going about that Ducati. He loves that. It's beautiful.
Man, that was crazy, man.
But honestly, what I'm in the market for, I think the CBR 1000 RR probably hits most of my requirements. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the like. Hit the notification bell for all the content. Stay updated on your boy's journey to conquer the world. Subscribe.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'll be ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.